Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best automatic gates openers that have been best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. Ghost Controls Solar Dual Automatic Gate Opener Kit for Swing Gates. It is a binary automated gate opening solution for any gates up to 20 feet. This is an advanced gate opener system that is designed as a perfect home solution and replaces your old gate for the better. These are very easy to install. The entire kit consists of 2 operating gate arms, a control box with a binary control board system, 2 surcharged remote controls for transmission, a transformer for AC, gate brackets, AXPO, and a user guide. All hardware tools for installing are also there in this kit. Even with the help of standard tools available at home, you can also install this setup. You don't have to worry about electrical consumption as it does not need a high voltage of electricity. Even during the installation or wielding, they do not consume much electrical connectivity. With the DIY kit you can install it with ease. Key features: quick to install, advanced gate opener, warranty of limited lifetime on motor and gear, fast operation, solar power capable, battery 12 volts works, battery box ABBT included. Pros: the superior quality of hardware, excellent arm controlling features, very easy to program the control panel. You can also add other things like vehicle sensors, open buttons, etc. A complete value for money product. Cons: you might take a long time to install it. A user guide is very beneficial. Number 2. Mighty Mule Automatic Gate Opener. It can move 6 16 feet long gates, with weights between 150 to 550 pounds. It provides both of single and dual gate support. Mighty Mule MM371W gate uses smart technology, so you can control it by using your smartphone from anywhere. This means that it's safe in case if you are not in home too. It can work with a 10-watt solar panel or a 12-volt transformer connected to an outlet. With a solar panel as a power source, it also requires an automotive or marine battery. The complete kit includes a mounting kit, receiver, transmitter, gate opener, instruction manual and DVD. It's very easy to install, although you need the necessary tools to do so. It also has a 12-month warranty, longer than most similar models. Key features: DIY gate opener, single operation through remote, battery 12 volt, all gate design ideal, fits in 18 feet length and 850 pounds in weight. Solar panel construction, easy to install. Instruction DVD provided. Warranty 18 months. Technical support. Pros: easy installation, durable and resistant. 12-month warranty. Cons: suitable for DIY users. Number 3. USAutomatic Commercial Grade Automatic Gate Opener. It has been manufactured as a commercial grade opener which can be installed super easily. The best part about the control panel is, it is pre-assembled. A simple plug-in with the automatic security gate can make you install it properly. You won't have to use any wire or cable for the installation, hence there is no rocket science technique that you have to go through while installation. It can work both with battery and solar power energy. There is a robust solar panel in the control box system which can trap solar power for its consumption. However, if you are using the battery, it should be 12 volts DC pattern. Opening and closing of the gate take very less time consuming, which is like 15 seconds maximum. High-grade quality products have been used for the composition of this gate opener. Key features: suitable for any gate design, easy to install, pre-assembled control panel, solar energy and battery backup both, battery 12 volt DC. High-grade product, smooth operation, closing and opening within 15 seconds, quick mounting. Value for money. Ornamental, farm gates can be fit. 3-year warranty guaranteed. Pros: brilliant gate opener with friendly customer assistance. High-grade quality products used for the unit. Long-lasting and reliable opener. Cons: expensive. Number 4. Mighty Mule MM560 Single Gate Opener Kit. It is the brand new advanced gate operating system exclusively designed with dual sense motion, a heavy-duty designed property for your swinging gates gates which weighs 850 pounds and 18 feet approximately in height. This is very suitable for users who would like DIY things. A detailed manual guide and a DVD are included in the kit so you can install it easily. You can use this automated opener for all gate designs like ornamental or tube or chain links etc. With a simple click on the remote, you can operate the gate door. A battery of 12 volts is sufficient for the operation. There are a few things which are included in the kit like hardware tools, instructions, AC transformer, etc. Solar energy can be smartly trapped to use it through solar power as it contains the solar panel. The manufacturers have provided a warranty of 18 months with this item and also friendly technical assistance for installation. Key features: DIY gate opener, single operation through remote, battery 12 volt, all gate design ideals, solar panel construction, warranty 18 months, technical support, pros, high quality products used in the build. It is very much budget friendly. Using the DVD for installing it is easy and saves the money for hiring professionals. Power outages can't affect its operation. Cons: some customers have also complained about the battery life. Number 5. USAutomatic sliding gate opener. The exclusive stainless steel used to create these strong gate openers is highly suitable for all gate types that have a length of 40 feet approx with the extra chain around 20 feet and weigh 1,400 pounds on average. A potent motor is incorporated in the gate system which can work smoothly with a rapid speed of 43 feet per minute without creating annoying vibrating sounds. The calculation of sound is below 56 dB, so you can understand how smooth and silent this gate opener will be when you successfully install it. There is the presence of a timer that enables you to automatically open and close your gate at the time you wished for. It takes around 36 seconds maximum to regulate it at your convenience and preference. You can also add 23 seconds to 25 seconds if you wish the gate needs to take a longer time to open for you. Another brilliant feature of the security system is the functionality of the remote sensors. It can range within 100 feet. In that case, getting out of your car is not required. Your gate can still be operated. The remote sensor has 4 buttons for opening and closing techniques. Key features: ideal for all designs. Gate length 40 feet and width 1,400 pounds. Robust motor. Auto close and on the timer. Durable. Automatic sliding gate opener. High-end steel, aluminium, and copper used. Safe, durable. Remote sensor unique. No hackers can access. RF hopping technology induced. Certified.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. And make sure to enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.